Hi, welcome to IUPAC Academy YouTube channel. This video is for 10th standard student. In this video, we are going to learn how to give IUPAC name to alkyl halide, alkyl alcohol, and carboxylic acids. The generalized representation of alkyl halide is Rx. Generalized representation of alcohols is ROH. And generalized representation of carboxylic acids is RC=OH. Alkyl halide, alcohol, carboxylic acid are named from the sources. Alkyl halide and alkyl alcohol are the common name of the compound, while carboxylic acid are named from their source. But in IUPAC name system, we name alkyl alcohol as haloalkane. Alkyl alcohols are named as alkanols. So you basically replace E from alkane by OL. So it becomes alkanol. In IUPAC name system, we name carboxylic acid as by replacing E by oic acid. So it becomes alkanoic acid. So let's see some examples. If we replace a hydrogen atom from methane, so it becomes methyl, and if we connect it with Br. Here the X stands for what? Could be fluorine, could be bromine, could be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine. So what we have done, that we have taken methane molecule and we have substitute a hydrogen atom by Br. So it becomes bromo because the halogen is bromide, bromomethane. We substitute a hydrogen atom by an hydroxyl group. So it becomes methane and replace a E by OL. So methanol. Let's make an acid of one carbon atom. So it becomes C=OH has to be there because it is a carboxylic acid. So since this is a one carbon containing carboxylic acid, another bond should be with H. So this was methane, but now it is an acid. So it becomes what? Methanoic acid. Replace E by oic acid. Methanoic acid. Let's do some more examples. What if we replace a hydrogen atom from ethane? Let's say by chlorine. So it becomes CH3, CH2Cl. If we replace a hydrogen atom by OH, and let's make an acid of two carbon atom. So it becomes COH, and another valency of carbon will be satisfied by CH3 group. So this is a two carbon containing acid. So pause this video and try to name this compound. Hope you tried this. So this was ethane, but now we have replaced a hydrogen atom and attach it to chlorine. So it becomes chloroethane. Similarly, it becomes ethanol. Replace E from ethane by OL. ethanol. So this was a 2-carbon containing acid. So replace E from ethane by oic acid. So it becomes ethanoic acid. Let's do some more examples just to clear the concept. Let's say we take propane and instead of removing a hydrogen atom from the terminal carbon atom, we now replace a hydrogen atom from second carbon atom. Let's say it is CH3, CH, let's say Br, CH3. Now replace a hydrogen atom from second carbon atom by an OH group, by an hydroxyl group. And let's make an acid of 3 carbon atoms. So it becomes C double bond OH. Has to be there because it's an acid. CH2, CH3. So this is 3 carbon containing acid. Pause this video and try to name this compound. Okay. So now in IUPAC name system, we number the compound just to locate the position of the functional group. We locate the position of the functional group in such a way that it gets highest priority and least number. So if we start numbering, it becomes 1, 2, and 3. So at second carbon atom of the propane chain, bromine is attached. So it becomes 2 bromo propane. Similarly, let's start numbering. It becomes 1, 2, 3. At second position, the hydroxyl group is attached. So it becomes 2 propanol. Remember, replace E by OL. Propanol. 2 propanol. Because the OH, the hydroxyl group, is at second position. Let's name this 3 carbon containing acid. So giving an IUPAC name system to an carboxylic acid, always prioritize group. C double bond O is known as carbonyl group, and you have to always number it. You have to always prioritize it and give the least possible number. Here it will be 1, 2, and 3. 3 carbon containing acid is propanoic acid. Remember, replace E by oic acid. So propanoic acid. Hope this is clear. Let's do some complex examples. Let's say we have this molecule CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Then we'll keep the same example and we'll attach it to OH group. Okay. And we'll make acid of this same compound. Okay. So now here the functional group is chlorine. Here halide. Here the functional group is OH. Here the functional group is carboxylic acid. Okay. So now you have to say, and apart from this functional group, we have a branch structure. We have CH3 at the last second carbon atom of the chain. So here it is CH3, here it is CH3. Okay. So how do we name this compound? So the rule is same. You have to prioritize the functional group. You have to assign the least possible number to the functional group. So let's start numbering this compound. So the numbering will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it becomes what? At first position, the chlorine molecule is attached. At third position, the methyl group is attached. Okay, so it becomes 1 chloro, 3 methyl, because at third position, the methyl group is attached. So 1 chloro, 3 methyl. The chain is of 4 carbon atom, butane. Let's try naming this compound. Pause this video and try. So in same way, we will be numbering this molecule 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the name will become 3-methyl 1-butanol. Okay, now last but not the least, so you have to always prioritize the carbonyl group. So it become 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon containing acid is butanoic acid, but at third position there's an attachment of CH3, so it becomes 3-methyl butanoic acid. Okay, this is how we name the compound if there is a branch structure. Okay, so can you name this molecule? If you can, give the IUPAC name to this compound. If you can name this compound, please write down in comment section. In next video, we will learn how to give IUPAC name to aldehyde and ketones. Till then, make sure that you subscribe and like to this video, and make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.